Hi there! We're going to have some fun today making ice cream cone cupcakes. These are a soft and fluffy cupcake baked inside an ice cream cone topped with scrumptious vanilla buttercream, sprinkles and a piece of chocolate flake. Okay, time to start baking. We're going to start by making the cupcakes. This cupcake recipe is really simple and quick. All you have to do is pop all the ingredients into a medium-sized bowl and whisk. I'm using room temperature butter, sugar, vanilla extract, eggs and self-raising flour. You can replace self-raising flour with plain flour and add 2 teaspoons of baking powder. This all-in-one bowl method will give you a perfect and delicious cupcake. You can mix with a hand mixer or use a stand mixer. You need to mix for about 1 to 2 minutes so that all the ingredients are combined. The mixture is nice and soft now and ready. How quick was that? And that's why I love this recipe. No excuses now for not making your own cupcakes. Using an ice cream scoop or a spoon, scoop the mixture out and fill the ice cream cones. Fill them to about 3/4 of the way full. Bake in 180 degrees Celsius, 160 if you're using a fan oven and 350 Fahrenheit for about 20 to 25 minutes. Now let's make the vanilla buttercream. We're starting with room temperature butter. Make sure the butter is soft or it'll be a lot harder to whip. Whisk the butter for about 5 minutes. While you're doing this, you'll notice the butter start to change to a nice white colour. Scrape down the sides of the bowl so we whip in the unwhipped butter. We can now start adding the icing sugar. Make sure it's sieved as you don't want lumps in your buttercream. Add about 2 tablespoons and whisk for about 1 minute before adding another 2 and whisking again. Follow this method until you've added all the icing sugar. You'll find the buttercream is getting harder to whip. You can now add milk or water, whichever you prefer. Add the vanilla extract, and if you're colouring your buttercream, you can add the gel colour now. Whisk one last time on a low speed for about 2 minutes, and you'll have a lovely, soft, silky buttercream. That's perfect. I fill my piping bag with my ice cream scoop. I find it one of the most versatile pieces of kitchen equipment. Fill the piping bag to about 3/4 full. Give it a squeeze to remove air bubbles and twist to tighten it. Time to decorate our ice cream cone cupcakes. When you've taken the cupcakes out of the oven, allow them to cool for about half an hour before adding the buttercream. I'm piping a simple swirl just like the one you get on an ice cream cone. If your cupcake has risen too much, you can use a knife to slice the top off so it's nice and flat for the buttercream. Add your favourite sprinkles and finish off with a piece of chocolate flake. If you have strawberry or chocolate sauce, add some too. These cupcakes are ideal for any occasion. They'll look great, taste delicious and will have everyone talking. Just a tip for you, if you're storing these cupcakes before adding buttercream, make sure they're fully cool before placing them in an airtight container, as you don't want soggy cupcakes. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you need any help, comment below and I'll be happy to answer any of your questions. See you next week for another Scrummy video.
Scrummy!